Welcome aboard. So now we're on day 2 of the installation of the Dinghy Davits. I came out to the boat. It's Thursday now, and it was storming just a bit not too long ago. It's okay now. I just changed into my grunt style alien t-shirt. So let's go check it out. Yeah, let's see how those davits turned out. And I also cleaned part of the back deck, so we'll see how it turned out. Now it's completely covered because it's going to rain, and I always keep it covered. But those turned out really nice, and these are Nautley davits from Nautley. I think they make it in St. Clair. Underneath here, you can see here my rigging. So it's tied to the kayak. I mean, the dinghy's tied to the dinghy ramp davits, not the kayak. And then it's in 2 spots, and so it's like that on both sides. So let's get off the boat and actually check it out. So that's perfect. It couldn't have turned it out any better. So you can still see the name of our boat, Feeling Naughty. Naughty buoy's covered up, and down here the money shot underneath the boat, so it just sits directly on those davits. And I set the motor down, and you can see part of the rigging underneath there, attached to it, so it won't fall off the boat. But I think it turned out great. Yeah. Gonna go home now and relax. It's just been the past couple days, it's just been a little beat. But you can see here the nice davits. I'm glad we can still see our name now. Oh, and you can see here on the swim platform, that was about 1.5 feet on both sides. So, for more activities. So I actually use the swim platform. Love my boat projects. And I kept a cooler right here, so when it rains, it just doesn't pull up right there. So it's looking good. Let's go step inside for a minute. Oh, nice cool breeze. So the next thing I have to do to the boat, I gotta clean it with the boat wash. Gotta be able to do that. But it's nice in here. So Tony has his pearls of wisdom for today. It comes from Winston Churchill. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. So basically, don't be afraid of failure, because you'll fail 99 times out of 100. Maybe not that bad, but you'll fail a lot, and you'll be discouraged. But it's not really a failure, because you're learning life lessons throughout the process. So whatever you guys want to do, just go for it. I'm still sweating now again. Damn. Hot. It's cool in here, but it's hot out there. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a boat project tomorrow. I actually work. You know what you guys are doing right now, allegedly in your home offices. So, but I'm signing off for right now. Gotta go drive back home. Maybe drink some of the beers I left from last night. I stayed up till like 2 o'clock. I need to stop staying up late. I need to get up early, 6 a.m. every day. You want success, you wake up at 5:30, 6 a.m. every morning, and get your coffee and get your mornings going. That's the way to do it. So I'm going to try to do a video a day. Doesn't matter if I'm at the boat or not, but I'm going to have a lot of boat themed topics I want on this channel, and every little item that I fix, I want to document it, so you get to see the life of a boater the life of Tony. So until tomorrow, I'm signing off. Take care. Ciao.